Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Kai here from TikTokso, and today we will be reviewing a new tracker from Tile called the Tile Slim. A big thank you to Tile for giving us this unit for a review. Now, Tile is a world's leading smart location company, and they have launched a whole new lineup of hardware, which includes this particular one that we are reviewing today. Now, you might have heard about the Tile products. These products essentially helps you to locate items, missing ones especially, or misplaced ones. So what you do is you usually bunch the tile together with your keys or your phone or perhaps your wallet, and if you misplace any of these items, you can use your phone to locate those misplaced items. At my workplace, we even place a tile tracker on the back of a file because we kept losing the file. It is 2019 and I'm still very surprised that my colleagues are still using physical paper, physical file, instead of storing that data into a shared drive so anyone can access it. Resolution for 2020. Okay, this new Tile Slim is the second iteration. So what's new? Now the Slim is now sleeker than ever in the shape of a credit card, and the low profile of the design allows it to slip in. Whoops, I dropped it. Take two. Yeah, so that's how thin it is. It is so thin that my fat fingers can't grab it firmly. Fat fingers. So again, the low profile premium design allows it to slip into narrow spaces, making it a perfect fit for wallets, luggage tags, and other hidden spots. Although it is discreet in shape and size, it is still powerful with a longer 200-foot tracking range or 60 meters, and the volume level on this one, it is twice the volume level from the previous Tile Slim. Yeah, it can get pretty loud. Now, it also has a full 3 years battery life. Not sure about the IPX rating though for this one, but it is labeled as waterproof, so you will have a peace of mind if this accidentally gets into a body of water, or if it gets soaked while you are out in the open under a heavy rain or thunderstorm. So how does it work? So after the initial pairing of the Slim to your phone, you can then either use your phone to locate the Slim via the app, or you can use the Tile Slim to locate your phone via this tactile button, which is also the logo. That's a very smart design. All you have to do is just press the tactile button, which is the logo, twice, and you can locate your phone. And it has a nice ring to it. Alright, you can also integrate the Tile's devices, not just this one, any of the Tile devices, with your digital assistants, namely Alexa or Google Assistant. Alexa, ask Tile to find my wallet. Well, iOS users with Siri, I'm afraid you can't do any integration, so don't frown so much. Alright, time to test it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slip this into my very minimalist wallet. Alright, I'm going to get the assistance of my wife, get her help to go and hide it somewhere inside the house, and I'm going to use my phone via the app to track down my wallet. So for now, I'm going to transform myself into a bloodhound or a Bluetooth hound, if you will. 1, 2, 3.
Going to hide Karim's wallet.
1,273, 1,274, 1,275.
I'm gonna hide it in the oven.
So Tara has already hidden my wallet. Now I'm going to find the wallet with my app. So just going to search for wallet. Searching for wallet. Oh. So now there's an indicator showing how close you are to the device.
Oh, that's cool.
So,
Put my wallet in the oven. Yay!
Yay!
okay, there are 3 things to take note of. Number 1, the 3-year battery life is not replaceable, at least to my knowledge. So if you were to drain out the battery, I guess you have to buy a new one. So you need to manage your expectation on this one. Okay, the other thing that you need to take note of is the size of the Slim, because it is literally the same size as a credit card or 2 credit cards as how they put it. It is not ideal to place it together with some items, for example your keys. How the heck are you going to bunch these to your keys? Or say at the back of a remote control. If your remote control is, you know, some sort like this, the small cutie ones, it's gonna be, if you were to place this at the back, you can probably pull it off, but it does look comical. So my strongest recommendation is to place the Tile Slim either into a wallet, a purse, a bag. The perfect place would be a luggage tag. If you're traveling, you don't want your items to be missing, you can always, you know, insert it in the tag. So whenever it's missing or misplaced, you can just use your app on your phone to track it down. I can't really think of any other items that you can place this tile on. Well, if you guys do have some considerations, suggestions, do place it in the comments down below. It'll be a great help. Okay, the last item to take note of is that the tile has a premium subscription service where you can unlock several other neat features. One of the major ones for this feature is Smart Alert. This feature enables you to get a notification when you are out of range of the items that you have tagged the tile onto. What this means is that if the Tile Slim is in your wallet and you were to walk away without taking your wallet along, the Smart Alert will then push a notification to your phone, alerting you that your wallet is somewhere, you know, wherever the last time that you saw it. This costs about $5.50 on a monthly basis. It will cost a lot lesser if you were to get this in an annual billing. You know how it works. Monthly, a bit more, annually, lesser. Alright guys, I hope this review has been helpful. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you have not, and remember to press the bell notification button so you will get notified whenever we post new videos. Okay, I'm off. See you in the next video. Bye!